syempre naman.
Bayad na kayo?
May mga damit na kayo.
Meron naman, talaga.
Hindi ko tumunod. Alam mo, uwi nga naman.
Balita ko, museum daw sa resort yung pupuntahan mo. Kaya kailangan maganda yung outfit.
Kaya nga sumama
Kailan kayo
ako.
magbabayad? Bayad na ba kayo?
Ayun lang, di pa.
Bayad
Wala,
na.
una pa yung ano nyo?
Bayad na ako pero sa utak hindi pa ako bayad.
Uy, may camera dito, oh!
Oh my God!
Hi, I'm Micaela Dantas and nandito yung buo kong grupo, the Snitch Family. And lahat sila ay magpapakilala isa't isa.
Hello, my name is Salima J. Villate.
Hi, I'm Victoria Antonio. Hi, I'm Eric May Mondragon at excited na ako mag-swimsuit.
Hello guys, I'm Clonard.
Hi, this is Karen.
Hi guys, nag-Shopee pa kasi ako. I am JND.
At kami ang Snitch Family. At kasama kaming lahat sa Eduk
Hi guys! So as of this moment, we are now in the bus. And ayun, nahihilo na ako. Ayun, I'm gonna inform you na lang guys pag dumating sila. But right now, so all goods naman kami guys. Although ako, nahihilo na ako since alam mo yun, kagabi. But we're doing our best as much as possible. And this is my dayad. So guys, please enjoy our vlog. And hope we do our best. Guys, hi naman kayo guys! And we will be right back guys.
Right now, we are here na sa Museo at Aklatan ni Diosdado Macapagal dito sa Lubao, Pampanga. The museum was made to replica the old Nipa hut he was born and raised in. The said museum is dedicated sa poor boy from Lubao who rises from poverty to prominence. Sa loob ng museum na ito, makikita natin ang mga mural depicting the life of poor man from Lubao and a compilation of his books. Si Diosdado Macapagal ang nagsilbing 9th President mula 1961 hanggang 1965. During this period, he attempted to enforce social reforms.
In addition to that, nanalo siya sa House of Representatives back then, representing district in his home province of Pampanga. Also, naging Vice President sa Administration Garcia and he defeated Garcia's re-elections bid for the presidency. Alam nyo rin ba, siya ang father ni Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, who was the 14th president ng ating bansa from 2001 to 2010. Aha! Talagang nasa puso nila ang pagseserbisyo.
Did you know that this dog was a gift to President Macapagal? And also, it was displayed in this museum in 2009, and this museum was opened in 2010 to the public so that every people across the Philippines could see how beautiful and how structured all these sculptures, paintings, and information that could help us to identify who is and what is our President Macapagal.
And we are now sa Museo ni Jose Pilingad. Alam niyo ba na si Jose ay lumaban sa mga Hapones at naging gobernador ng Pampanga? And also, he became a critic back in martial law sa pamamahala ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos. And here, sa loob ng museum guys, makikita natin ang kagamitan ng kanyang ginamit noong buhay pa siya. Katulad ng upuan noong siya ay nanunungkulan sa Pampanga at marami pang iba.
Further to that, this museum's opening highlight the commemoration of 42nd death anniversary of the late Kapampangan hero. Lahat ng makikita rito ay personal belongings na na-retrieve and some of them ay donated ng National Historical Commission of the Philippines or NHCP and the Lingad family. You know what? This site of this museum is the ancestral home of Lingad which was restored by NHCP.
Kakatapos lang namin sa...
Subic Hall Museum.
Ano
And
masasabi mo sa mga art?
Napakaganda ng mga artwork and also napaka-resemblance since diniscuss siya sa amin ni Kuya doon, ng tour guide. Aside from that, isang dami rin namin natutunan.
Educational.
Yes, of course. Kaya nga tinawag tong educational tour. And I hope everyone din na mga nanonood, I could encourage you guys na pumunta rin dito. Although malayo man siya, pero yung aral na makukuha niyo, yung information is napakaganda na pwede rin natin ma-apply and pwede rin natin siya ma-share sa mga students natin since we are a pre-service teacher na.
Totoo. So, tingin mo ba worth it pumunta dito?
Totoo, napaka-worth it. Nakita niyo naman napakaganda yung lugar.
Yeah, look at
And
that,
also yung
guys.
mga painting, di ba, unexpected na sobrang ganda at sobrang laki. So, I encourage everyone na sana makapunta kayo doon at dito, of course, di ba?
Ayun lang masasabi mo.
Yes. Wala na akong masabi kasi sobrang na-amaze talaga ako and mesmerized talaga sa mga nangyayari. And I hope, Sir Nabe, sana naman makapunta ka na dito, sir. Ang sarap mo, sir!
The importance of field trips. School field trips go beyond academic enrichment. They are also playgrounds for social and emotional growth. These shared experiences provide opportunities for children to bond with their classmates outside the traditional school setting. They learn to cooperate, share, and respect differences while navigating new environments. The excitement and challenges of a field trip can help students develop their self-reliance and resilience. This is the valuable life skills that they carry with them into adulthood.
Touchdown here at Moon Bay Marina Water Park, ang bagong water park sa Subic Bay, Freeport, Zambales. Binuksan ito noong April 2017 and it offers variety of water activities, gaya ng large wave pool. The park also has 45 cabanas for rent and restaurant near the water park called The Garden Grill. Langoy na!
Hi everyone! So I passed this phone to someone na pinakamasarap.
Hi everyone, this is Karen, ang pinakamasarap sa English major, and I'm passing this phone to someone who's pinakapogi sa English major.
Hi guys, this is Luis Ocampo and I'm passing this phone sa birthday girl.
Hi, I'm Micaela Dantes and I'm passing this phone to someone na super OA.
Hi! I'm Erica Mondragon and I'm passing this phone to someone na pero totoo wild animal siya.
So hello everyone, I'm John Clonard S. Domingo and I pass this phone to someone na parang iniipit yung boses.
Hi, I'm Victoria and I'm passing this phone sa pinaka-cute sa amin.
Hi, I'm Alina and I'm passing this phone to someone na pinakamatampuin.
Hi everyone! So my name is JND and I'm passing this phone to someone na ang grupo namin sa TTL ay Snitch Family! Hi guys! So as of this moment, nakauwi na kami galing Edok Trip! And I hope sana sa napanood nyo ngayon, marami kayo natutunan and I hope sana lahat kayo is makapunta rin sa mga destination na aming pinunta. Paalam!